Did you know that after the age of 60, our bodies naturally start losing muscle at a much faster rate? On average, we can lose 5 to 8% of our muscle mass every decade after midlife. In today's video, we'll look at 8 simple, affordable, and powerful foods that seniors over 60 can add to their daily diet to rebuild strength and energy. Stick around until the end, because food number 7 and number 8 might surprise you. Sarcopenia is the scientific term for age-related muscle loss. It usually begins in our 40s, but after age 60 the process accelerates. The main symptoms include weaker muscles, difficulty standing up or climbing stairs, slower walking speed and poor balance, more frequent falls and injuries. Why does this happen? Aging. Our bodies simply don't build muscle as easily. Low activity, less exercise means faster muscle breakdown. Poor nutrition, not enough protein, vitamin D, or key minerals. Hormonal changes, testosterone and growth hormone decline with age. The solution? Fueling your body with the right nutrients that protect muscle tissue and stimulate growth. Let's start with the very first food. 1. Eggs. Number 1 is eggs. Eggs are one of the best, cheapest, and easiest protein sources available. They contain leucine, an amino acid that plays a key role in triggering muscle growth. For seniors, eating just 1 or 2 eggs a day, boiled, scrambled, or poached, can make a huge difference. They're simple, affordable, and incredibly effective for rebuilding muscle. 2. Fatty fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel. Number 2 is fatty fish, like salmon, sardines, and mackerel. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and help your muscles use protein more efficiently. They're also packed with vitamin D and vitamin B12, both essential for muscle and nerve health. Try to eat fatty fish 2 or 3 times per week, grilled, baked, or steamed. Not only do they support strong muscles, but they also protect your heart and brain. 3. Lean meats, chicken, turkey, lean beef. Number 3 is lean meat, chicken breast, turkey, or lean cuts of beef. These foods deliver high-quality protein without too much unhealthy fat. Beef in particular contains creatine, which supports strength and energy production in your muscles. Stick with healthier cooking methods like baking, boiling, or grilling. Eating lean meats regularly can help seniors maintain strength and independence. 4. Milk and dairy, milk, yogurt, cheese. Number 4 is milk and dairy products, such as Greek yogurt and cottage cheese. Dairy is rich in whey protein, one of the easiest proteins for the body to absorb and use. It also provides calcium and vitamin D, which protect both bones and muscles. A glass of low-fat milk in the morning or a serving of Greek yogurt after lunch is a perfect way to give your muscles what they need. 5. Soy and legumes, soybeans, beans, lentils. Number 5 is soy and legumes, foods like soybeans, lentils, chickpeas, and black beans. They're an excellent source of plant-based protein, and they're affordable and versatile. Soy in particular contains compounds called isoflavones, which can help balance hormones, especially important for women after menopause. Whether it's soy milk, lentil soup, or a bean salad, these foods are a smart addition to any senior diet. 6. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, chia, flax. Number 6 is nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. These small but mighty foods provide protein, healthy fats, and magnesium, nutrients that aid muscle recovery and energy. A small handful of nuts each day, or adding chia seeds to yogurt or smoothies, can help keep your muscles fueled throughout the day. 7. Fruits rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Number 7 is fruits high in vitamin C, such as oranges, kiwis, and berries. Vitamin C helps your body produce collagen, which strengthens muscles, tendons, and joints. The antioxidants in these fruits also protect muscle tissue from age-related damage. 1 to 2 servings of these fruits daily can support muscle repair while boosting your immune system. 8. Leafy green vegetables, spinach, kale, broccoli. And finally, number 8. Leafy greens, like spinach, kale, and broccoli. These vegetables are rich in natural nitrates, which improve blood flow and muscle strength. They also contain vitamin K, magnesium, and calcium, nutrients essential for both muscles and bones. Enjoy them steamed, lightly sautéed, or fresh in salads. Leafy greens are a powerful, natural way to keep your body strong after 60. So there you have it. 8 simple, affordable, and powerful foods that can help seniors over 60 fight back against muscle loss. Remember, nutrition is the foundation, but pairing these foods with light exercise, like walking, yoga, or lightweight training, will multiply the results. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more senior health tips. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.